Down here, guys. The air is super nice. Lindsay Wheelock, the bump spot, 794 at 175. The number one qualified, David Barton in his Camaro, 773. That is not going to hold up. Warren Walcher, Grand Junction, Colorado, 21 drag pack. It allows 354 cubic inches of drag packs on. Chevys, around 350 cubic inches, a little bit over. And the Ford, 327 because they are 4 valves per cylinder. I love the way they came in there. Oh no, there's a big thing. And I think I got a text about that yesterday. Stressed about the time. Jesse Alexander, Stephen Bell. These cars are making about 1,500 horsepower out of supercharged small block, guys. They're trying to get the power to the ground on a 9-inch wide tire, and they weigh about 35. Tommy down there helping out Jesse, helping out Lenny. At 179, Stephen. Dennis Chiazin and Tim Shirley. Tim Shirley on the right-hand side. Dennis Chiazin, left-hand side. That's going up, up and away. Injectors, getting everything right. Alex is mired in the doldrums, tire spin. This car has not gotten to the tree the last 5 times it's been down the racetrack. It's changing everything. Has been 805, it's Ford, your Welch left side. You can buy these cars at the dealership. Now, a lot of people think, well, I'm going to go buy one of these cars. And you're welcome to do so. You definitely go racing. But if you're going to be competitive in the FlexJet Factory Stock Showdown, there's another layer that goes on. What did you get? Growers and packers, if you go to Walmart and you buy something. So we got a couple of Stanfield powered cars. Sitting 1, sitting 2, Stephen Bell, Anthony Troyer, Joe Welch, Mark Power, AJ Bird. 3rd, 4th, and 5th, Lindsay Wheelock. That's Aaron Stanfield. They make those last stops. On that black Camaro, to get it off the starting line, they've got what it takes to take the top spot. Aaron Stanfield, Lucas Oil side, last Went 789 yesterday. You know that thing's got the power. David Barton is the champ. Barton went 773 yesterday. Barton out of Cleveland Spring, Pennsylvania. He saw Stanfield.
Number 2, and we're kicking things off with quite an interesting battle here. Ricky Ord in the right lane, and Aaron Stanfield in the left. Ricky Ord is from right here in Florida, family race team. And Aaron Stanfield out of Louisiana, number 3 finisher in the world in this class a year ago, also former class champion. He was also number 3 in the world in Pro Stock and top dragster a year ago. Aaron Stanfield really likes 3s. But he's hoping his new favorite number is 1. Joey pacing behind the car. It's factory stop. Deep breaths. Go Sox tomorrow. Smoke escape in the last round. It does not look like that young man is going to make an appearance against AJ Verge here in the Challenger Ram Chargers tribute car out of New York. The Heavy Tune Performance president is going to get a solo squirt here in the right lane.
Well, it's not going to lose it because of the dude. The dude's not coming down to the sunset. Double judging.
Jesse Alexandra had the David Janik pumps forward.
On the home side. Now you see, take out the right way. Third pass to the second. But when 7-7 is second power down, it is now doing it. Maybe up on the side, but he's got a 50-foot number. That's the excellent. You see that car coming over there the left lane. It's maybe. You can look at the semi-final. Boy, the number 2 is good though. He's only going to go with the junior driver at 40 minutes. He's got to put it off as well. He's first. He's getting the 10-2 performance. Showdown 2. No further the hammer on the factory stock showdown class. All on board.
This is it, the final.
All over the race second. Still winning 7 to win the race.
Never lost in the final round. In the left lane, the Dodge stand, like the drag cap in the right lane, if you the stand, like the purple on the left, if you were fourth stand. So, next, race is live. Go.